Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a location not working on the application of Snapchat. We go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will scrolling down until you find this application of Snapchat here and you will click. Then in this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Snapchat. Then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.